In today's superfast life, people don't care about basic road safety. Be it wearing helmets or putting on seat belts, traffic rules are just taken for granted. This disrespect towards safety measures invites life-threatening accidents. Precisely what we don't want at Vodafone Gujarat. Keeping this in view, Vodafone has driven a unique initiative called HSW. Every member of this organization appreciates the policy.
Last few years, we have been on this aggressive journey of health, safety and wellness. The objective is that safety becomes a culture. It becomes a part of day-to-day working of our entire organization. As a result, for last 3 years, we have relentlessly focused on the journey of health, safety and wellness, so much so that it is now part of all our DNA.
As per the HSW guidelines, the rules are clearly laid down for those driving four-wheelers and two-wheelers.
At Vodafone, we have HSW policy, which is very, very important. One of them is wearing the seat belts.
One of the major aspects of the HSW parameters is the night travel, where we don't allow our employee to travel between 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. in the morning.
During one of my trips outside of Ahmedabad, one of the hired cab drivers, Anil, actually stopped at 10 o'clock in the night and called me back to inform me that he would not be traveling further because as per the rules of the organization, night travel is not required. Unsupervised, under no compulsion whatsoever, on his own, independently he took this decision.
So let's hear it from the man who defied the system to stay true to his belief.
बॉस ने तो मुझे कह दिया जाने के लिए, पर मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया कि जाऊं या नहीं जाऊं। वोडाफोन ने जो रूल बनाया है वो सोच समझ कर ही बनाया होगा, अपनी सेफ्टी और अपने परिवार की सेफ्टी के लिए। इसके हिसाब से मैं नाइट ड्राइविंग अवॉइड किया मैंने। फिर मैंने बॉस को मना कर दिया कि मैं अब नहीं जाऊंगा, सुबह जाऊंगा।
It's not just about few extraordinary people. Rather, it's about many ordinary people with extraordinary self-discipline.
We should ensure that whenever we are on the bike, we should wear ISI approved helmets. Is for both the person riders as well as for the pillion riders.
One such proud example is that of Hardik, who cheated death by a whisker. Thanks to the HSW guidelines of wearing an ISI approved helmet.
Most heartwarming story, the father of one of our store agents actually came to office and told us that he is forever indebted to Vodafone because his son had just met with an accident a couple of weeks back and the only reason his life was saved because he was wearing helmet while he was riding his two-wheeler.
13th of February को मैं एक कस्टमर को मिलने गया था बगवदर, तो मुझे जो है अचानक ही रास्ते में नीलगाय जो है आई थी और मैं उसके साथ टकरा गया था। एक्सपेक्ट द अनएक्सपेक्टेड का जो अपना कैंपेन चल रहा है, तो मैं स्पीड लिमिट भी कम थी और मैंने हेलमेट भी पहन के रखा था। मेरा जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था उसमें मुझे काफ़ी चोट आई थी हाथ में और पैर में, और मैं 2 महीने तक हॉस्पिटल में था। ये जो इंजरीज थी, अगर मेरे हेलमेट नहीं पहना होता तो मुझे ज़्यादा चोट आ सकती थी।
HSW not only benefits the employees or partners, rather it prevents their family from great losses.
એક્સિડન્ટના જ્યારે સમાચાર મળ્યા ત્યારે હું એકદમ હોતપ્રોત થઈ ગયેલો હતો, તો ત્યાં સ્થાનિક જગ્યાએ જઈ અને દવાખાનામાં જઈને મેં જોયું, હેલ્મેટ જોઈને ખરેખર મને એવું લાગ્યું કે જો હેલ્મેટ મારા સનને ન પહેરી હોત તો આજે પરિસ્થિતિ કંઈક અલગ જ હોત। આજ મારો સન મારી વચ્ચે પણ ન હોત, એવું પણ બની શકત।
To see the emotions in the eyes of this father gave a big testimony for all the work that we are doing around health, safety and wellness and gave us renewed energy and rigor to continue this journey forward.
At Vodafone Gujarat, strict norms are set for evaluating our travel agencies on various safety parameters.
We book almost 3,000 plus cabs. While arranging the cab, it's ensured that the HSW parameters are followed by the employees and the drivers.
Today, Team Vodafone Gujarat has built for itself the reputation of being responsible and sensitive towards the precious gift called life. Not just the life of its employees, but it values the life of its partners too.
Just to share with you, in last 12 months in Gujarat Circle alone, we have been able to save 15 lives. And that fills my heart with joy. This as the biggest momentum for driving the HSW forward within Gujarat Circle.
Each life saved is a testimony to our efforts in the right direction. But what's more heartening is the feeling of gratitude and thankfulness that survivors and their kin have for us.
હેલ્મેટની હિસાબે જે આ હેડ ઇન્જરી થઈ નથી ને એના હિસાબે જ આ અત્યારે મારો દીકરો મારી વચ્ચે છે, એ ખરેખર ખુશીની વાત છે. જે વોડાફોનની અંદર જે આ પોલિસી જે છે, દરેક એમ્પ્લોયે આ નિયમોને ખરેખર અનુસરવો જોઈએ.
As we move on in our HSW journey, we pledge to save more lives. We pledge to educate more people to follow safety guidelines. But more than that, we will keep highlighting such heartwarming stories. Stories that serve as lessons. Stories that give hope.